12 Most Popular Types of Cryptocurrency. Bitcoin gets all the headlines when people talk about cryptocurrencies, but there are literally thousands of other options when it comes to these digital currencies. In fact, cryptos that aren't Bitcoin are usually considered and also ran, what are called altcoins, or alternatives to Bitcoin. While Bitcoin may have been the first major cryptocurrency to hit the market, it debuted in 2009, many others have become highly popular, even if not quite as large as the original. Here are the largest cryptocurrencies by the total dollar value of the coins in existence, that is, the market capitalization, or market cap. Data is from coinmarketcap.com, as of May 27, 2022. Largest cryptocurrencies by market cap. 1. Bitcoin, BTC price, $29,155. Market cap, $557 billion. As the harbinger of the cryptocurrency era, Bitcoin is still the coin people generally reference when they talk about digital currency. Its mysterious creator, allegedly Satoshi Nakamoto, debuted the currency in 2009 and it's been on a roller coaster ride since then. However, it wasn't until 2017 that the cryptocurrency broke into popular consciousness. 2. Ethereum, ETH price, $1,797. Market cap, $219 billion. Ethereum, the name for the cryptocurrency platform, is the second name you're most likely to recognize in the crypto space. The system allows you to use Ether, the currency, to perform a number of functions, but the smart contract aspect of Ethereum helps make it a popular currency. 3. Tether, USDT, price, $1 market cap, $72 billion. Tether's price is anchored at $1 per coin. That's because it is what's called a stablecoin. Stablecoins are tied to the value of a specific asset, in Tether's case, the US dollar. Tether often acts as a medium when traders move from one cryptocurrency to another. Rather than move back to dollars, they use Tether. However, some people are concerned that Tether isn't safely backed by dollars held in reserve but instead uses a short-term form of unsecured debt. 4. USD Coin, USDC price, $1. Market cap, $53 billion. Like Tether, USD Coin is a stablecoin pegged to the dollar, meaning that its value should not fluctuate. The currency's founders say that it's backed by fully reserved assets or those with equivalent fair value, and those assets are held in accounts with regulated U.S. institutions. 5. Binance Coin, BNB price, $305.71. Market cap, $50 billion. Binance Coin is the cryptocurrency issued by Binance, among the largest crypto exchanges in the world. While originally created as a token to pay for discounted trades, Binance Coin can now be used for payments as well as purchasing various goods and services. 6. XRP, XRP price, $0.3927. Market cap, $19 billion. Formerly known as Ripple and created in 2012, XRP offers a way to pay in many different real-world currencies. Ripple can be useful in cross-border transactions and uses a trustless mechanism to facilitate payments. 7. Binance USD, BUSD, price, $1 market cap, $18 billion. Binance USD is a dollar-backed stablecoin from top crypto exchange Binance in partnership with Paxos. Binance USD was launched in 2019 and is regulated by the New York Department of Financial Services. BUSD runs on top of the Ethereum blockchain. 8. Cardano, ADA price, $0.4725. Market cap, $16 billion. Cardano is the cryptocurrency platform behind ADA, the name of the currency. Created by the co-founder of Ethereum, Cardano also uses smart contracts, enabling identity management. 9. Solana, SOL price, $43.02. Market cap, $15 billion. Launched in March 2020, Solana is a newer cryptocurrency and it touts its speed at completing transactions and the overall robustness of its web-scale platform. The issuance of the currency, called SOL, is capped at 480 million coins. 10. Dogecoin, DOGE price, $0.07895. Market cap, $10 billion. Originally created as a joke after the run-up in Bitcoin, Dogecoin takes its name from an internet meme featuring a Shiba Inu dog. Unlike many digital currencies limiting the number of coins in existence, Dogecoin has unlimited issuance. It can be used for payments or sending money. 11. Polkadot, DOT price, $9.75. Market cap, $10 billion. Launched in May 2020, Polkadot is a digital currency that connects the technology of blockchain for many different cryptocurrencies. A co-founder of Ethereum is one of Polkadot's inventors, and some industry watchers believe Polkadot is looking to dethrone Ethereum. 12. Wrapped Bitcoin, WBTC price, $29,136. Market cap, $8 billion. Wrapped Bitcoin is a token that represents Bitcoin on the Ethereum blockchain. This allows the world's largest cryptocurrency to be more accessible for integration into the ecosystem of Ethereum's decentralized exchanges and other applications. Wrapped Bitcoin was first launched in 2019 and is backed by Bitcoin at a 1-to-1 ratio. Bottom line. The cryptocurrency market is a wild west, although it appears as if the U.S. government is set to take a more active role in overseeing the crypto space, so those speculating in these digital assets should not put in more money than they can afford to lose. Volatility has been intense, with crypto assets fluctuating significantly in 2022. The market has been tumbling since reaching all-time highs in November 2021. And individual investors can be trading against highly sophisticated players, making it a fraught experience for novices.